Hey guys, it's another video with Catch Me Lot, and today we're doing a slime challenge with me.
Check out my channel
at KRE YouTube,
and I have some videos.
Yeah,
and we're gonna see who can make the best slime.
So these are all of our ingredients. We had different gel. This is random stuff from our house. And we're gonna see you can make the best slime. And comment down below which is better. We have Bounty as our activator. We think it'll work. We have gel. We have shampoo. We have salt. And we have toothpaste. So, yeah, we're going to see who can make the best slime. So, we're going to put it in the freezer, and then you'll see how it works. So, right now, I am going to start mine off with some gel.
Some shampoo.
So, gel needs to go in.
Some shampoo.
This will act as my glue. Hopefully it'll act as my glue.
I'm stirring my.
And then I need just a tiny little bit of toothpaste.
The toothpaste will pretty much add the color, I think.
Some of that. Some pepper or some salt.
And
some different gel. No, okay.
And so let me start stirring this up. I'm doing pretty good so far.
And now I'm going to add my activator. Hopefully Bounty works as an activator.
People use some Tide, I think, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, Tide.
So then, this smells good.
Mine will not smell good after this. Mine does
Okay,
not look very good.
Now some different gel. His is blue.
Okay, this is mine so far.
So
mine's kind of glowy.
I added some different gel. Let me stir this up and then I'll show you guys what
I'm actually going to add some more of this gel.
I'm going to add some more salt at the end because I'm not done yet. So
and then I think some of this. So Carter's is kind of like clear. It looks kind of like clear slime.
Mine is actually kind of already slime, almost, but I think
mine is not really.
Now let's put.
I'm gonna put some salt.
Bounty in as my activator.
Okay.
Okay. Good.
Mine's still too much of a liquid form. I need some more of this. This is like.
That's why I have some slimy form. And then I added.
Is yours somewhat good?
Yeah. See.
Is it?
Well, that's not that liquidy.
Mine's very liquidy.
I think it kind of is, yeah. But I think this will work. Oh,
I'm gonna add some more of this. This is my go-to.
Last thing but not least, toothpaste. And then I will add some. That's a lot of toothpaste. Too much toothpaste, I think.
And then I need to add a little bit more toothpaste.
This will give it a good smell and a good, hard texture, I guess. And
okay, mine's still a liquid.
Yeah, because
mine's
it's
just
not in the freezer.
Mine's just like pure liquid. I'm scared it's gonna just freeze in the freezer. Won't it just freeze?
I don't think so. It's done?
Me now. I'm just gonna add some soap.
Okay. Now last but not least,
this is just a liquid. All I got is a liquid here.
Some salt. Well, change. Let's add some salt.
How much gel do I need in here to make it up? Because I wanted the texture to be a gel, but not to be as sticky as a gel.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna add one more thing, and then I'm gonna go put in the freezer. Just a little more shampoo.
I'm gonna add some of that and add some more salt.
The shampoo is already a slimy kind of thing, so it'll make it more slimy at the end, I think. Maybe.
This is kind of a bad idea. because we are most likely gonna fail. Mine is not any kind of slime.
Mine is kind of. See? Look at it.
I'm just like,
He's starting to get like mine. Now,
look at mine, look at mine.
I just need to add a little more.
It has like a booger texture.
I just need to add a little bit more of this. And then I'll be done. And then maybe a little more shampoo or hair gel. And then I'll be good. Yep.
I think I added too much activator.
Me too. Added quite a bit.
Oh
He
my.
added some salt or some soap. I'm not gonna add any soap. Okay. Now let me just.
I add some more salt. I think the salt helps.
And then I'll add a little bit more salt. Mix it around, and then I'll put it in.
There's that.
Okay, just a little more shampoo, like I said.
Okay, mine's. I turned it not into a slime anymore.
How?
I do not know.
Mix this around. I don't know, guys, but this should work. Sorry if you guys can't see me like the whole video.
Oh yeah, so. Oh, that's better.
Yeah, you should have done that.
Sorry.
Sorry, guys. And a little bit of salt, and then I'm done.
I have a lot of this. I do not believe how much of this I have. I'm starting to. I have to move the gel because I'm starting to run out from the spot.
Hey guys, this is the finished look of mine.
Carter's looks like that.
And I'm just gonna go put this in the freezer, and yeah, I'll wait for Cash, and then we'll see how it's done. So I'm putting mine in the freezer.
Yeah, Carter's just putting his in the
And
freezer.
while it cools, I suggest I am going to watch Cash. So Cash has put ours in different spots. So mine will be over here. Yours will be over here. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, guys. We're waiting for mine to.
Oopsie.
We're supposed to use that much.
I don't know, maybe.
Okay, is that all you're gonna need?
Oh crap, I buried my toothpick thing.
Oh my gosh, why do you have so much? Okay, guys. Cash, is that all you're gonna use?
Yep.
Okay, I'm just gonna put it away so I don't see.
Okay, guys, so I'm not sure. Mine didn't change at all. It just like has clumps in it now. I'm gonna mix it on my fingers.
Okay, you'll put this away because I don't know where this goes.
Oh, the salt just sinks to the bottom. The salt actually doesn't do anything. It just like sinks to the bottom. Mine is literally just a liquid. Okay, guys, so that was not good. So this is the finishing touch to my thing. You can't really see it. Here, I'll put it above it so you can feel like the clumps in mine. Look at it, it looks disgusting.
This doesn't look that good.
But I'm gonna put it in the freezer, and in about half an hour we'll be back. Okay, guys, we're back, and this one, mine did not work at all. It's just a liquid.
Yeah.
So yeah, and then Carter's is catching on to something.
So I'm gonna keep it, but let's
He
just say
failed.
it was a failure because it didn't really make
So
sense.
Carter's is something. Look at it.
Yeah. So we'll say that I'm the winner of that one.
Yeah, Carter won.
So yeah, we'll see you in the next video, and bye.
See ya.